Hello everyone, I am Preeti Komal and today I will be discussing with you about a very interesting course that I am pursuing from Jamia Hamdard. So the course is a certificate course in forensic science. We all have heard of this term somewhere in movies or dramas like CID, which has always fascinated us since our childhood. But what exactly is forensic science? So basically, forensic science is the application of science to the criminal and civil laws that are enforced by police agencies in a criminal justice system. So I will briefly introduce you to the topics that we are going to cover in this course. So we will cover toxicology, which is study of alcohol and drugs, serology, which is study of blood and other biological fluids. Question document examination will be there, where we will examine the documents. Handwriting comparison will be there, study of inks, typewriter imprints. Then we will also study some chemistry, firearms identification and ballistics will be there, study of marks and striations on bullets, hair and fiber analysis, pathology, odontology, which is the study of bite marks, teeth structure, anthropology, and the determination of a biological profile. Seems interesting, right? It is indeed. So if all these things fascinates you too, then enroll to this course as soon as possible, as there are very limited seats. For admission, you can check the description box given below. Till then, take care. I will see you in the next one.